Welcome to Dwoco. My name is Smart. Here in Dwoco we share great tips for your success as we make the world a better place for all. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to write a cover letter for a sponsored visa application. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video so that others can benefit from this valuable information. Step 1. Research and understand the requirements. Before you start writing your cover letter, it's essential to thoroughly research and understand the requirements for a sponsored visa application. Familiarize yourself with the specific visa category, eligibility criteria, and any additional documents or information needed. Step 2. Header and greeting. Begin your cover letter with a professional header, including your name, address, phone number, and email address. Follow this with the date of writing. Next, address the letter to the appropriate person or organization. Use a formal greeting such as dear, name, or to whom it may concern. Step 3. Introduction and purpose. In the opening paragraph, clearly state the purpose of your cover letter. Explain that you are seeking a sponsored visa and the specific visa category you are applying for. Additionally, briefly introduce yourself and mention any connections you have with a sponsoring organization or individual. Step 4. Personal background and skills. In the second paragraph, provide a concise overview of your personal background and relevant skills. Highlight your education, professional experience, and any accomplishments or qualifications that are directly related to the visa category you are applying for. Emphasize how your skills and experience make you a suitable candidate for the sponsored visa. Step 5. Reasons for seeking sponsorship. The next paragraph should focus on explaining your reasons for seeking sponsorship. Clearly articulate why you are interested in living or working in the country, how it aligns with your personal and professional goals, and why you believe the sponsoring organization or individual is the right fit for you. Step 6. Demonstrating value. In this section, demonstrate the value you can bring to the sponsoring organization or individual. Highlight any unique skills, expertise, or qualifications that would benefit them. Discuss how your contributions can positively impact their business or organization, reinforcing why they should consider sponsoring your visa. Step 7. Appreciation and conclusion. In the final paragraph, express your gratitude for the opportunity to be considered for sponsorship. Reiterate your enthusiasm for the possibility of working or living in the country. Provide your contact information again and state your availability for further discussions or interviews. End the letter with a professional closing, such as sincerely or yours faithfully, followed by your full name. Step 8. Proofread and edit. Before submitting your cover letter, ensure you proofread it for grammar, spelling, and clarity. Check that all the necessary information is included and that the letter flows smoothly. Consider having someone else review it as well to get additional feedback and catch any errors you may have missed. Conclusion: writing a compelling cover letter is crucial when applying for a sponsored visa. By following these step-by-step guidelines, you can effectively communicate your qualifications, motivations, and value to the sponsoring organization or individual. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for others to benefit. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your visa application. I am Mr. Smart, Dr. Tam Case Special Assistant. See you in Dwoco. Bye for now and God bless you rich.